Hi everyone, how are you guys doing today? So I have decided to take revenge and cut my mom's hair. So I have given her a haircut and did her hair color as well. So I hope you guys are interested, and there is a reason why I had to do that, because the haircut that she gave me looked kind of okay for a day, and then I washed my hair, and then something happened. If you guys want to know what my hair look like now, let's get into her haircut first, and then I'll show you what happened to my hair. She has a secret. She only colors the tops of her hair and doesn't really color the insides. She only puts a color on top. She does it herself. So I'm gonna cut a little bit of the length, and then huh? It's payback time. Sure. एवढेच जसे तू माझे कापते. Just like she cut mine, I'm just gonna cut this much.
फोल्ड करून लावता आलं पाहिजे असं.
Okay. So how much?
म्हटलं एवढंच का.
Okay. So we're gonna try and cut about this much first, and then do the color, and hopefully everything will go better than it went with my hair. Okay. So basically she gets her hair cut by the girl who comes for cooking in her house. तिने काय केलंय का हेअर कटचा?
ब्युटी पार्लरमध्ये काम करायचं. तिथेच होती हेअरकट नाही पार्लरमध्ये काम करायचं. लाईट लावायचं.
हां
मी येत नाही लावून.
it's a little bit uneven, I guess, but not superbly uneven. I'm just gonna cut off some extra stuff, not much. बरोबर आहे का बघ, कट बरोबर आहे का बघ, असा हात लावून बघ ना तुला काय का वाटतं असं. What do you think? It's okay? Now we are gonna color it. So she has brought this one with her, dark brown Patanjali hair color, Kesakanti hair color, cream and developer. She has used it before, and so she uses Garnier usually, but I have recently started using this Mystic Divine set that I purchased from Sally Beauty, and you guys have actually given me quite a few compliments ever since I have started using this one. So I'm gonna use this one on her. This color is called Natural Darkest Brown, so I think she should be fine with it, right? Yes. Okay. So I'm gonna mix these up and we'll be right back. And my idea is that I'm gonna put the hair color on her, and if there is any extra left, I'm gonna have her put it on me. And then afterwards I will show you guys what my haircut actually looks like since she cut it. Okay, see you guys in a bit. So this color comes as a color tube and a developer. It's supposed to be professional hair color, and you're supposed to mix it 1:2 by volume. I have basically the cream and the developer in here, and I'm gonna mix it up. And she's actually wearing one of my dad's old shirt that he left behind 3 years ago. And I've been using that to color my hair because I think it actually is better than the cape that they have for professional hair coloring. because then my hands are free to move and I'm well protected. My sleeves are protected and my neck is protected. So that's what I have given her. I have washed it. If it looks dirty, it's actually just the hair color on it. So I'm actually gonna start with her front.
खूप कम करावं लागेल, मी काही विशेष करत नाही. खूप हे करावं लागेल, मी काही विशेष करत नाही म्हटलं. थोडीच हे होती सांगावं.
And now we wait for 40 minutes and then we'll show you guys what our hair finally look like after we have given each other haircuts and then some. Okay, see you guys in a bit. And now here is my big reveal. I'm in front of Ulta and I've been sporting this haircut for 2 weeks now. If my bangs were a little bit longer, you know, like my lip length, I think they would have kind of blended in nicely with the rest of my hair. But because now this is too short and this one is now grown quite a bit, much longer than I usually maintain my hair at, yeah, I need to get this portion cut. So I'm gonna go to Ulta and hopefully Sandra will be able to fix this for me. Wow, I have not been here in so long. I used to come to this Ulta pretty much once every week, and now I think I'm coming after like a few months. Pretty unusual for me. Yeah, so my mom cut the bangs.
Oh, okay.
Just for fun. And I basically want it kind of, I usually just have it like going flushed in, like, and then layers all the way back. I don't care about the length.
Okay.
So
Let me just see your bangs.
she cut it way too short.
You like them to be on top of your eyebrow?
No, I don't want them any shorter.
Okay.
I want them back at
Okay.
least.
I'm just gonna trim it out from here because you have like a line.
Yeah.
So we just have to fade it down. Oh, you got a lot. Way too much from the back.
Yeah. I don't want like any separate bangs per se. I just want it like a part of like the entire.
Okay, yeah, okay. I see what's going on there.
Yeah, and I don't want any partitions.
Do you want me? Do you like it how it is really blunted, or do you want me to do it a little bit more wispy?
Wispy would be fine.
Okay.
Yeah, it's become like this 90s hairstyle, which I don't really care for.
That's so funny that she cut it though.
It's hair. It grows.
It grows fast.
Yeah.
It's okay.
Yeah. Yes, I really like this. Apparently my haircut is called graduated cut or universal cut. Hopefully I'll remember it next time and not trouble my poor hairdressers with my weird descriptions. Here you go. These are the close-ups of my final haircut. If you're wondering why I look like a deer in the headlights, that's because I don't know how to take selfies. And I'm figuring out if the camera is actually looking at my face and showing off my hair and all of that. So excuse that, but here we are. 3 months after the haircut. Like we are 2 days shy of 3 months after the haircut. My hair, as you can see, has grown considerably and I'm loving the haircut, and now I know what to call it. It's the graduated to my skull haircut, and I do have a few extra strands that kind of grow out of proportion. They kind of grow out of my neck, so they usually end up being longer than the rest of my hair, which I need to get cut shorter and all of that. So I'm really, really thankful to the girl who cut my hair, you know, for telling me the secret that I have been grasping at all these years. And yeah, I'm loving my haircut. But anywho, I would like to apologize for my absence. If you get notifications from my channel, I did share why I went MIA for the last 3 months. There are a few reasons for that. One of them is very serious and kind of very intense. But I'm back, and I'm really glad that I'm back. And I can't wait to share with you what actually happened and what I did in the time that I have been missing and what are the updates and all of that. If you ask about my mom, she has since moved back to India and she actually went on another trip. We had to color her hair twice since that incident because the first color just didn't take, the one that we did on camera. Then we did it again and we kept it for a longer time. My mom was kind of rushing and she washed off the first hair color in about 30 minutes and it didn't really take. And the haircut was pretty much a straight, ponytail. She didn't allow me to cut it any shorter. I wanted to cut it shorter for her, but she didn't allow me. But yeah, we had to do her hair color twice. But since then, she went back to India. She went to the Himalayas for a trip. And currently she's back home recovering from that trip because that was very intense with the cold temperatures and higher altitudes and all of that. And for me, I have made a ton of my jewelry in the meantime, and I did sell some of that, and I can't wait to show you guys the pieces that I sold, the pieces that I still have, and I have been really enjoying this particular medium, the polymer clay as a medium. And yeah, I want to share all of that with you guys. I have to say I am really grateful for those of you who stuck around during this time, and I would like to say welcome to those of you who have joined the channel new. Most of you have found me through either the micro needling or the DIY electrolysis video, and a lot of you have a ton of questions, and I have been answering the questions that I get because I didn't want to leave people hanging while I was kind of gathering myself. But I would like to make a video kind of answering all the questions in one video where I could clear out some of the doubts about the usage of the two devices. So that is definitely coming. My life update video is coming, and a few dupes videos that I did mention a while ago are coming. Today I'm wearing the Juvia's Place foundation. I need to tell you guys about it. And yeah, thank you again for sticking around or becoming new members of this crazy family, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.